Hello, today I fixed a leaky hose. Leaking water can cost a lot of money per year, whether you have city water or well water. And a garden hose like this, it's a heavy duty one. It's not the little skinny green ones that don't last long. These are utility, well-made hoses, and they can be expensive too. So what you're going to need is a blade, preferably a stronger blade, because these are thin. Get a heavy box cutter or even your garden snippers. You're going to need a flat edge screwdriver and also a garden repair kit. Now what you get in the kit is this brass connector that you put in the hose areas where you cut. Now as you see, the middle here is where the hole was, so you just cut off a piece of the hose with the X-Acto knife or a knife. You put your hose clamps on the hose first, slide this in between, get a real good cut, otherwise it'll be crooked. Now these are hard for me to put up right to the middle here, so you can have somebody help you if you're not strong enough. You can use water or lubricant, but I don't like the lubricant because then it just keeps going around and around. So just squeeze the hose onto the connector, push it together as best as you can. Use the flat edge screwdriver. Make sure these hose clamps are screwed tight, just like fixing a hose on your car engine. This kit is $6. You get 2 brass connectors and 4 hose clamps, and here's the others. And now I got mine at Amazon. You can get them at a home center or a garden center or a tractor supply place or a toolbox company. Very easy. You're going to save money, and save money not to buy a nice hose, because this was a nice hose. Now, does it work? I'm going to spray the water. And it's not leaking. Even though it's not right up to the middle of the connector. Somebody will help me push it on later, but for now, I just want to water the gardens. So thank you for watching. And I hope you can save money too.